This has been my life for the past 6 years. Taking this path is far from easy. It was about the scariest thing I've ever done. It meant walking away from the job I worked hard for 16 years. It meant closing our home permanently and leaving behind my family and friends. It was a time for me to create my path. This is my chance to redefine my success and happiness. I ventured to the unknown, and that's the best decision of my life. For 4 years, I studied psychology, and I was taught to get a job just like anyone else. And when it's finally time to embrace the corporate life, it became quickly apparent that it's taking away my life. After 16 years of working the grind, I asked myself this question. Should I stick with it until the next couple of years, until I retire, or take these next few years unconditionally and follow my lead? So on December 23, 2013, I left the Philippines and flew to the United States, carrying with me my blind faith and a big dream. I took my love for traveling and fashion, watching every YouTube tutorials to learn more to be able to create something beautiful. Every day I wake up motivated and hopeful. I was doing what I love most, investing in myself, traveling, and doing videos. I had no idea what I was doing, but I have to keep going. I was determined not to return to the lifestyle of working in a box from sunrise to sunset. There's nothing more liberating than following your passion. People think that my decision to leave everything behind is risky, but they often neglect the biggest risk is not reaching our full potential, not living the life that ignites us. You see, even in time, I realized this was not my path to take. I'll be able to return to the real world knowing that I gave my very best. If I continue down the corporate road, yeah, maybe I'll be able to buy a house sooner or have a higher position at the firm, but I will always be left with deep wondering if I could ever accomplish something greater. When you follow your passion, it is impossible to lose. At the end of the day, my path was not really a path at all. It's about going to the unknown and seeing if I can make it to the other side. I have no idea where this journey will take me. The destination, the opportunities, the finances are all unknown. But this is not something I will slide by. This video is not about quitting your job, it's about doing what you love most. Finding your passion isn't just about careers and money, it's about finding your authentic self. People are going to talk about you, no matter what you do. So you might as well do whatever brings you joy and live your best life. I'm Elaine, and welcome to my YouTube channel.